Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dearest, cutest nursery class? You're fine and good. I'm also fine. May Allah bless you ever. Okay. Now it's our English period. Do you like the English? You like the English. So you must be take interest in this session. So write down the date of today. Today the date is 26 August 2020 and the day is Wednesday. Here's a small place for writing the Wednesday. Wednesday. It's quite difficult to write the Wednesday on the small place. Okay, just done it. What is this? What is this? Round and round. Like that. This is round. Orange. The starting sound of orange is orange. Oven. Your mom cook cakes in the oven. Oven. Ostrich. Alright. Orange. Color it orange. Oven. You can color the oven black or silver. Okay. Ostrich. Find out the picture of ostrich from net and then do the color according to the picture. Ostrich. Orange. Oven. Ostrich. Orange. Oven. Ostrich. Okay, this is done. Now move towards the second page. Just go. We reach it here. Again, right. Date 26 August 2020. Wednesday. Wednesday. Octopus. Octopus. Trace your finger on O. Yes, do this practice on sand. मट्टी में भी आपने O लिखने की प्रैक्टिस करनी है. Orange. Oven. Ostrich. And now octopus. Octopus. What is this? Octopus. You can see here dotted O. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dotted O, and here the empty places. You have to do here self-writing, especially parents. Yes. Let your child do their work by himself or by herself. Okay. First we'll trace these all O's and remember one thing. आपने अपने वे पे नहीं जाना, आपने इन्हीं डॉट्स के ऊपर ट्रेस करना है. अगर आपकी डॉट्स से पेंसिल थोड़ी सी भी आगे पीछे हो गई ना, इट्स मीन इट्स डर्टी वर्क. और फिर टीचर तो सिर्फ जो अच्छा वर्क करते हैं उनको लाइक करेंगी, उनको प्यार भी करेंगी और उनकी फेस पेंटिंग भी करेंगी. चले अब हम लिखते हैं ओ, और आपने डॉट्स के ऊपर मूव करना है. ओ गॉड टीचर की पेंसिल नीचे ना जाए. ओ गॉड इट्स डन. What is this? What is this? ठीक है. This is the O. आपने सेम लाइक दैट सारे डॉटेड O को करना है. Now write down here between two lines. How many lines you will use? Between two lines. Okay. Line से out नहीं होना. Put your pencil on the dot. राउंड. देखें टीचर की पेंसिल यह इस लाइन से बाहर नहीं गई और इस लाइन से बाहर नहीं गई. इट्स प्रॉपर ओ. सेम लाइक दैट आपने ये सब ओ लिखने हैं यहाँ पे. ठीक है. व्हाट साउंड इज दिस? ऑक्टोपस. ऑक्टोपस. ओके. दिस इज ओवर नाउ. It's our today's work and I am 100% sure you will do it superb, like awesome kids. Now I'll say to you, take care of yourself and bye bye.